How to create a new profile in Microsoft Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Microsoft Outlook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the Google icon at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on Settings icon at the bottom left. Then it will lead you to the settings. After that, you just have a tap on the Accounts option. So here you can either add the account if you already have another account, or you can create a new account if you don't have one. So I'm going to tap on Add Account, and as you do that, over here, you can just select whichever options you would like to choose, or it's more convenient for you, either OneDrive for Business, Google Drive, Dropbox, or Box. So you can just select on Google Drive and then tap on Continue. And as you tap on Continue, it will just give you to choose an account. So you can just select any of the account over here. And as you select on the account, it will start loading and it will start creating a profile for you over here in the Microsoft Outlook. So just tap on Continue. And it will just start loading your page for your Microsoft Outlook. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.